How to remove parking brake ECU module on Volkswagen Passat B6 3C, B7, CC, Tiguan, 2006 to 2016, in 17 steps. Before changing the electric handbrake module, make sure you don't have any other problem like the plug did not fit well into the caliper, the handbrake switch is broken, one of the electric motors from the calipers is broken. Required tools: flat blade screwdriver, 10mm wrench, trim tool, T20-bit Torx. 1. Disconnect the battery terminals, starting first with the negative terminal. In order not to produce a short circuit if you inadvertently touch the car with different tools, first disconnect the negative terminal and then the positive terminal. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Two, remove CD radio unit frame using a trim tool and then disconnect the hazard button cables. Three, remove the frame from the AC climate control unit panel using a trim tool and then remove the harness from the passenger's airbag warning light. Four, remove those 4 bolts using 8 T20 Torx and then take it out to remove the harnesses from the back. Five, slide the seat all the way back to remove the bolts from the left and right plastic parts using 8 T20 Torx. You just have to pull the plastic down and then back to remove it. Do the same with the other plastic from the left side. Six, after you remove the plastic piece, remove the bolt using 8 T20 Torx. Do the same on the left side. Seven, remove those 2 bolts using 8 T20 Torx. 8. Remove that plastic part and then remove those 2 bolts using 8 T20 Torx. 9. Remove that part from the armrest, pulling it straight and then up to take it out. 10. Remove those 2 nuts using a 10mm socket. 11. Remove the gearbox lever gaiter. 12. Remove that plastic part using a trim tool, then remove the 2 bolts using 8 T20 Torx. 13. Remove those buttons from the left and right gear stick using a flat blade screwdriver and then disconnect the harnesses. "14. Remove that part from inside the ashtray and then remove those 2 bolts using 8 T20 Torx. 15. Remove the ashtray and disconnect the cables from the back. 16. Remove the center armrest, pulling it easily to the back of the car and then lift it up. 'If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comments section. Now you can have access at the parking brake module. To replace the module, you will have to buy another one with the same serial number like this, 3AA907801H, for Passat B7. 17. Remove those 3 nuts from the module and then take the harness out. To remove the cables, you just have to pull on the left side that plastic piece indicated with the red circle. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comments section. If my video was helpful, please like, comment and subscribe or send me a super thanks. Thank you for watching.